Hi and welcome to the second video of Learn Google Sheets series. In this video you are going to learn about very basic formatting of your data, which includes zooming in spreadsheet, format as currency, format as percentage, decreasing decimal places, increasing decimal places, merging cells, types of alignment, wrapping text, borders, fonts, font size, making your font bold, italic, strike through, font color. So let's get started and be productive. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then go to Apps and open Google Sheets. Select the blank template, rename your workbook. I have named it to Basic Data Formatting. First thing you need to know is a cell. The blue box, which is auto-selected, and Google Sheet can maximum have 5 million cells in a single workbook or in multiple sheets. Now you will be wondering that what is multiple sheets? So the whole file or document is known as workbook, which comprises of these multiple sheets. You can also rename them like this. Now these are columns which are named alphabetical, and in Google Sheets it can go till 18,278 columns. Similarly, these are rows named by mathematical numbers, and in Google Sheets you can add up to 40,000 new rows at a time. So the numbers are very big, that makes it more useful, but to name the cell address, you need to know that what is cell address or cell reference. So cell address is an alphanumeric value used to identify a special cell in a spreadsheet. Each cell reference or address is made by starting with the selected cell column's alphabet, proceeding with the row number. As an example, let's select this cell. So finding cell address first needs the column alphabet, which is here C. Proceeding with the row number, that is 4. Now combine these both, your cell address is C4. Similarly, go for this one. Yes, you got right, it's B6. Now we will be configuring this menu bar. But first, let's write some data in the spreadsheet to understand this much better. So this is the first icon over here, which represents undo. Means if you did any mistake, you can undo it. And this second icon is exactly opposite to first one, which redos your step. Instead this, I recommend Ctrl Z on Windows or Command Z on Mac for undo, and for redo, Ctrl Y for Windows and Command Y for Mac. The next two icons are for printing and paint respectively. These will be covered in future videos, therefore please subscribe to the channel to never miss any update from Be Productive. In second part of this menu bar, you can see that by default 100% is written. Basically, this is where you zoom in and out the spreadsheet. Now comes the most used part of menu bar, which by default comes with 5 options. The first option is Format as Currency. To apply these formats, select the cell or column which you want to format, then click this icon. Similarly, second icon is format as percentage. Third is decrease decimals. Fourth is increase decimals. When you will open fifth option, new menu will pop. Basically, which have more formats which are very useful like date, time and many more. Now let's use these formats to make our document more appealing and understandable. A quick pause here. While editing, I have noticed it. The cells in column DEF were selected and formatted as currency, but you have to format the column F cells to be as percentage because the column is named as percentage of total day close. Let's again go to the menu bar. Now the fourth part is about changing font style and the fifth part is about changing font size. Let's change our font style and size. You might have noticed that I have also used from 6th part and guessed its significance, that this B makes our text bold, I makes our text italic, let's also change the cell colors in the spreadsheet to make it look more appealing. If you want to make borders to your data, then you can directly select the cell you want to border. Then click here, select border type, then border color and border line type. If you want to merge cell, you can simply select the cell you want to merge and click here. Now let's align our document. First select the cells you want to align. So I want all my data to be aligned the same, like in center, and I have selected the cells. And click here to align. Now you can play with these alignment options and you can see how I do it. Now the last option we are covering is text wrapping. This wraps the text inside a cell as needed. You can see some examples over here. In next video you are going to learn that how to add alternating colors to the spreadsheet, removing borders, linking and inserting comments. The last part, which is 9th part of the menu bar, formulas and functionality of the cell which you saw in the video, will be explained in future videos. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment down below. Answers will be given in Saturday solution series. Till then, please share this video with your friends who want to be productive. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you for your valuable time and be productive.